Hello, this is Avinash. Today we look at the fifth experiment in Web Technology Lab. So in this Web Technology Lab, what we have to create is we have to create something called converters. So we have like various types of converters. We'll check in the So here in the converters we have table generator, BMI calculator, length converter, weight calculator, pizza order form. So these are all the types what we have in this, and we have to execute it. So we'll go to the experiment now. So as usual, HTML tag, header tag, and then we close HTML, and then I've given something called body, and I've given declare the font family for that, and I've taken size Roman. And field set, I've set the background color, and then color of it, and padding, and then I wanted it to be dotted instead of having a regular one. I took dotted one. It's your choice of preference. If you want to go with something else, you can go, no problem with that. And after that we have given the table over here, and in the table we have given something called a table generator. The name of the table is table generator, and then here we get the value from input text and all. So here we have something called like the input type is equals to button. So whenever we click on the button, it will go to some other place, it will execute it, it will fetch the value from the user, and then it will solve it. And after that we have created something called on click create and values to create. And after that we have something called divide tag, and in the divide tag also we have created the background. So we have set the background color, and then padding, and then the same values for each and everything. And this is a BMI calculator, and in the BMI calculator I get the text from the user, the same how height and weight from the user, and from on click it will go back to click to calculate BMI, and it will calculate accordingly. So here we have background color everything, and for the length converter also fields equals to enter values, so input type text and data one. So here also I've taken IDs for each and everything, so each and everything has a ID for it. So in the later on stage for the length converter we'll go with the same thing, and after that for the weight converter also we go with the same thing. And after that what happens, we have something called pizza order form. Even in the pizza order form also we'll create it, and then here it will calculate the pizza. So it will get the input from the user, and based on the input it will just show us the output. So here we have input type radio, value 10, 15, 20. So it is if it is a 10, then it's size this. If it is a 20, it sizes this. If it is value is 25, it sizes this. So accordingly we have given the values over here. And after that the cost of the order of the pizza will be shown over here. And after that I've closed the HTML tag. So now let's go and check how the thing runs. So I'll give 5 and I'll give 6 and click to create. So this is like something we just give the value, and I give like 52 calculate BMI, and I enter values 128 and meters to calculate. So I just give the values to it, and then it will calculate the order form and weight and calculate everything. So accordingly it will change its values and it will show in the output. So the program has been run and compiled successfully. Thank you.